Looking at you, Wantoks. I'm in MountHagen, PNG. Just had a short stop overnight, meet up with Vincent and a few of the crew. We're off to Ramu today, but it's lovely being back in MountHagen. Gosh, it's changed. The places I worked and lived in are still standing, but they've been utilised for something else. But a lot of really good memories here. So we're off to Ramu, which is 6 or 7 hours away. We have to go back through Kundiawa, Goroka, over the Dalu and Kasam passes down to the Ramu River Valley, and then we'll stop there overnight, do some interviews and have some fun. I hope you're all well. We're great up here. PNG's just been terrific. The people here are so friendly and so just wonderful. You don't get an angry word, and you always get a good morning and a hello. Now, good afternoon, good morning, a handshake. It's fantastic. Well, talk later. I'll try and upload some. We've had lots of trouble with our connectivity, so I'll get onto that when I get down to Ramu. There's a few more messages. Have a great day. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.